Hi everyone, we will prepare our own special tool in this project. As you see, the 3D Studio Max program is a professional program that allows you to prepare your own original tools in several software languages. In this project, we will use Maxscript coding technology. As you see, we have a tool and we can create Alt W. We can create zipper array, as you see, and you can zipper count in this edit text box, and you can change zipper color in this color picker, and you can clean, and everything is reset, as you see, and you can start again. Yes, perfect, as you see. And as you see, we have a image banner for our tool, and clean button, and color picker, and slider, and edit text. Our code is here. It's not too long, it's short coding. As you see, we will write our code for this tool. If you are ready, let's start. At first, open scripting editor, and we will coding our tool in this editor. So load, and we need a parameter. It's maybe linear array maybe, and window name is zipper engine for 1. Yes, zipper engine 1, and we need dimensions. So I have tested the dimensions before and found the appropriate values. So I will use my dimensions in this project. Width 250. Width 250 and height 300. Height 300 and brackets open and close brackets, and create dialog, and our parameter is linear array, and Control E. As you see, our tool windows is ready for our dimensions, as you see. And I want to add a banner image top of my window, but I will prepare my image end of this coding. So I want to leave a space at the top for now. So maybe we will use bitmap, and our string variable maybe bitmap 1. Yes, maybe, and width also 232, and height 50, and position, we need position for this banner image 8,6. Yes. And for now, we will need file name. We will need file name. And for now, it's space just. Control E. Yes, as you see, we will add image in this space end of this project. Yes, we can continue. We need a group box for design or window for group box, this one, and name maybe is GB1, and position 8,6 T, 60, and width 233, and height 100. Control E again. As you see, this rectangle for our group box. Yes, first group box, and we can copy this one. Control C, Control V. Another group box. Its maybe name is group box 2, and maybe 100 again, and maybe height 65. Yes, Control E. As you see, another group box. And last of our group box, Control C and Control V and GB3, and maybe 225, and maybe same width, but yes, Control E again. Yes, finish. And we need a slider for this in this group box, so just a bit big. Yes, so we can add slider and name is slider X, slider X, maybe this way. Yeah, slider X, and name is X axis linear array. Yes, X axis linear array. It's enough. And position 21 and 70. Yes, close. And range, it's important. We can search in this Maxscript editor, Maxscript help. So we can add, for example, slider and Maxscript slider UI control. What we'll need in this command, we can see in this website. Let's continue. Range maybe 0 and 15 and 0. This range control as you see, minimum value, maximum value and other value, as you see. So minimum value 0 and maximum value 15 and default value 0. Yes, and type we will need type, as you see. So yes, type, yes, integer, type integer, and orient horizontal. As you see, we need orient horizontal or vertical, and we need height, as you see. So yes, integer, orient horizontal, and tick count 15. Control E. Yes, you can see or slider, and slider is ready right now. Yes, maybe, yes, perfect. And we need an edit text for cipher count. Edit text, name is maybe ed1, and position and yes, as you see, and width dimension also 45, and read only true, read only, it's important feature, it's important. We don't want write anything in edit box for our user, so read only true. Yes, and text, first text 0 at first. Yes, close brackets. Control E, it's a problem for now. Yes, Control E. As we see, or edit text, we want in this count show in this edit text. So we need label, and lab1 maybe, or label1 maybe, label1, and name is cipher count, and width 70, and position 117, and 130. Yes. Control E again. As you see, cipher count. Perfect. Maybe this way. Yes, maybe 4. Yes, perfect. No, maybe this way. Yes, perfect. And I need a color picker for zipper color, and CP1, and position 130, 140, and 180 y-axis, and width 60 and height maybe 30 and default color red. Control E. Yes, as you see our color picker. When pick this color picker, you can see color selector open. Perfect. And again another level. Control C and maybe Control V. Label 2 and maybe select color. This text. Select color and perfect, and coordinates 75 and 188. Control E, as you see, select color. Yes, perfect. And last off, we need a button in this area. Button. And name is BTN1. Name is clean. Delete or zipper on our C position. Yes. And 90, 242. Yes. And width also 75 and height 33. Control E. Yes, as you see our button, but maybe down just a bit for, yes, Control E again. Yes, perfect. Yes, it's our button is ready right now. It's perfect. Yes, and when our slider change, what will happen? We can write our code for this. On SLDX, Control X, Control C, Control V. Changed value do. Change value do. What will happen? Open brackets and close brackets. Yes. And first of all, delete all zippers. All zipper in our C, and we need a loop for y equal to 0 and to this value SLDX x value dot value do, and open brackets and close brackets, and create a zipper. How create a zipper with code? Zipper, and we need radius maybe 15, and we need position I multiply 30 and 0 and 0. If all radius 15, and I want the sepals to be tangent to each other, so each sepal must undergo an offset of 30 units. So yes, and we need color, white color. We need this color pickers color. Control C, Control V, dot color. Yes. And finally, we add sepal count in our edit text. So ed1 dot text equal to, and this value, Control C, Control V, +1, close the brackets, and as string. Yes, close brackets. Yeah. And Control C, Control V, and Control E. Yes. And we can check. Yes, as you see, all sepal create and count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 sepal count, as you see. Perfect. Our code is running right now, and perfect. Yes, maybe we can add 4 button. So in this here, 4 button. Or button string is Control C, and on Control V, btn1, press it to, and open brackets and close brackets, and we want, when press the or button, delete all sepals. So Control C and Control V, and or this value, Control C and Control V, equal to 0, and edit text, Control C and Control V, edit text 0, yes, equal to 0, but as string, yes, and Control E, and we can check and increase sepal count and clean. Yes, as you see, sepal count string 0, and this slider go to 0 level again. Yes, for example, or slider here and count 0 and press the clean. Yes, as you see, running is perfect. Yes, and we can add to this color picker. So color picker string is this, Control C and on Control V, CP1, change CP1 do. yes, brackets and close brackets, and select all, cipher, Control C, Control V, and selection dot wire color equal to CP1. After that, we can cancel selection, clear selection, yes, okay, and Control E. We can check. Let's create a PIV zipper and change color as you see, and clean again. But when clean, maybe color default, so CP1 dot color equal to red, and color picker color maybe go to default color, so we can test again, Control E and select and change color, and when press clean button and color convert to again red, yes, it's perfect. Yes, our code is almost finished, and we can add our bitmap image, Control E, and yes, enough for now, and we can add a plane, yes, perfect, yes, perfect, Shift F again, and yes, and our dimension or bitmap dimension is 232 and 50, so we can change render dimension, so custom and 232 and 50, yes, it's our perfect dimension, yes, perfect, Control CC, and we can add or not light, perfect, and we can add material, ground material, so surface, standard surface, and maybe just a bit blue, yes, select and assign, and Shift Q, yes, we can add environment image bitmap, and we can select this image and Shift Q again, perfect, and we can add material right now, red material maybe, as yes, assign, and we can add exposure control maybe just a bit -1 and maybe 7 and shift Q again. It's perfect. Maybe let's shift Q again. Perfect, and we can add text. So linear array. Yes, maybe this way. Linear array, and maybe we can change font and just a bit small and add extrude 5, maybe. Yes, and we can add white material, maybe. Yes, linear array, just a bit. Perfect. Yes, and just a bit up, maybe more small. Yes, shift Q. Maybe color sorry, maybe color yellow. Yeah, yellow maybe. Okay, shift Q. Inner array. Yes, perfect. It looks like perfect. Maybe this way. And perfect. And shift Q again. And we can change this specular value. Shift Q again. Perfect. Shift Q again. Yes, this looks like perfect. And save. PNG maybe. Banner image 1. Yes, and we can scripting again. Perfect. This perfect, and we can hide this all component. Yes, and all of and delete, and sorry, and maybe again HD TV. Yes, and scripting editor and control. We can save this script. As you see, let's make sure that our code, file, and our image are in the same folder. Otherwise, we will need to define a path for our image. We can copy this image name, right click, copy, and let's go to 3D Studio Max and paste here PNG, and we can correct this file name. Yes, Control E. Yes, code is running correctly. Perfect. And we can clear, and we can run our tool. As you see, perfect. We can change color and we can reset and we can edit. Code is running perfectly. Thanks for watching and see you in another project.